took my locks out. Let me show you guys what I'm working with right now. Right. It's like all... Sorry, I was kind of like experimenting with the style to see if it was gonna work first before filming it. Took my locks out. Very cute style, but child, they were heavy. They were down to my butt. So cute. I guess other people can deal with it, but I don't like super heavy styles. Like, I'm a big knotless braid girly. Like, I don't like, you know, super tight styles and whatnot. Not tight, heavy. Yeah, so I thought of this style and I'm like, let me try this out. So we're pretty much gonna do like 2 pigtails and use clip-ins for the ends. But instead of like, you know, having to flat iron and smooth out your hair, the braids is just gonna like be our base. So I guess it's gonna kind of resemble like, anyway, I thought of it, we're gonna try it, let's do it. So you're gonna need 2 hair ties to put your hair in buns. I didn't double the hair ties or anything. That's not needed because you already have such a flat base with the plaits. So then you're gonna braid down each side into like a plait and then put a rubber band at the end. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lay my edges down before I do anything else so that I can go ahead and set. I just started using Edge Booster and I don't know why I didn't use it before. Like, this edge control is literally unmatched, like one of the best that I've used.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Later clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up.
Alright, so clipping time. You're gonna need probably about, I'd say like 1 or 2 bundles of hair, depending how full you want the buns. I kind of just worked with whatever I had in my closet. And you're gonna wrap around the little plait and clip. Very similar to how you do it with a tracking glue, but we're just clipping it on. So you're just avoiding all the mess, but essentially you're getting the same type of look.
Right back to me, baby. I know I want more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore.
So I was going for a very like boho look for the bun. So I kind of played around with it, like wrapping it, leaving some pieces out because you want it to look a little messy and not super organized. So I wouldn't say there's an exact recipe for this. Just play around and kind of, see whatever looks good. And then you can add your bobby pins to secure the bun in a way that you like so it doesn't move.
this was it, guys. A very quick, simple style, and you can do a lot of different looks with these clip-ins and just your plaits. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.